Today we're taking a quick look at the upgraded JF-17 Thunder 2025, a fighter jet that continues to deliver exceptional performance and value for modern air forces. Next-Gen Design and Upgrades, 2025 edition. The JF-17 Thunder 2025 comes with refined aerodynamics, lighter composite materials, and improved structural durability. These upgrades enhance stability, reduce radar signature, and ensure the jet remains combat relevant well into the next decade. Advanced radar and sensors. One of the biggest improvements in the 2025 version is the enhanced AESA radar, offering longer detection range, better multi-target tracking, and stronger performance in cluttered environments. Upgraded IRST and electro-optical systems add even more precision. Engine power and performance. The updated engine package provides higher thrust, improved climb rate, and better high-altitude performance. Fuel efficiency has also been enhanced, allowing longer mission endurance and reduced operational cost. Weapons and combat capability. JF-17 Thunder 2025 supports a more powerful and diverse weapons loadout, including next-generation BVR missiles with extended range, improved precision-guided bombs, advanced anti-ship missiles, smart munitions for flexible multi-role operations. This makes the aircraft highly effective in air-to-air, air-to-ground, and maritime missions. Electronic warfare and survivability. The 2025 variant features an upgraded self-protection suite with stronger jamming power, enhanced missile approach warning systems, and faster countermeasure deployment. These improvements significantly boost the jet's survivability in modern combat. Operational impact for 2025. For the Pakistan Air Force, the JF-17 Thunder 2025 represents a cost-effective yet powerful frontline fighter. Its continuous upgrades and local production give it long-term strategic value. Conclusion. The JF-17 Thunder 2025 isn't just an upgrade, it's a major leap forward in capability, making the jet faster,